to the concept of commercial paper. When any corporate wants to borrow money from another corporate, in that case the transaction, a commodity or an instrument available for the transaction is called commercial paper. Now before going ahead, this is just an instrument which is used in the money market. Now unlike certificate of deposit where the bank was borrowing, so there was no other broker required, but in case of this commercial paper, the two corporates, that is two different entities are involved, so there is no broker. So here the borrowing corporate wants the bank, any of the bank, to act as its broker. Okay, now the broker is going to facilitate the transaction. The borrowing corporate will ask the broker to get or to borrow money on behalf of it from other corporate. So what does the broker does? Broker take care of all the paperwork, and then broker issues the commercial paper to the crediting corporate on behalf of the borrowing corporate. So I can repeat this sentence again. The broker bank is going to issue the commercial paper to the crediting corporate on behalf of the borrowing corporate. Now what is the benefit here for the bank? So the bank is going to take the money from the crediting corporate, and it's going to charge its own brokerage for all the paperwork, for all the risk and involvement of the resources as part of this transaction, and then after charging its own brokerage, it's going to give the remaining amount to the uh, borrowing corporate. So unlike so basically the entities involved, the brokers involved, is the only difference between the certificate of deposit and commercial papers. So I hope the concept is clear, and who all are eligible to borrow in with this kind of commodity, or we can say for the commercial paper. So any corporate which is having a net worth of at least 4 crores is eligible for using commercial paper. So and one last point that to be noted is that it was introduced in the 1990. So what happened if before 1990, if the corporate wants to buy it, that you can research and mention in the comment section. So that fine.